Hi there, students. A Harridan. Okay, a Harridan is a stereotype of an unpleasant, belligerent, bossy woman. Somebody who's always telling you what to do, who's always angry, who's incredibly authoritarian. I was about to say authoritative, and that's different. So Mrs. Thatcher was a bit of a Harridan. So a scolding, manipulative woman, to scold, to tell off, to be angry with people, especially an older woman. She was a mean old Harridan. So notice, if you call somebody a Harridan, this is very critical. It's a strong word, but it's not swearing. That Harridan that lives next door is always poking her nose into other people's business. So by using the word Harridan, I'm saying I really don't like her. She's really unpleasant. My teacher was an old Harridan who was always punishing us for nothing. My boss is an ugly old Harridan. She never appreciates the work I do. So, formality of this word, a Harridan. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5. It sounds a bit posh. I'm not sure I would use this word in a very informal conversation. I think I might say an old cow or an old bag informally. Yeah? But yeah, I use it in some sort of semi-formal context. And then the question, what about the origin? Well, they say maybe this comes from French. Ondelle, an old horse. And maybe it comes from Norse as well, because there's an old Norse word, har, meaning grey-haired. So, a Harridan, a really unpleasant, bossy, belligerent woman who's always telling people what to do. But be careful, this is quite strong, so you need to be careful when you use it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Harridan.